Hi, I'm Carrie Jaffier, owner of the GoodieBox Bakeshop in Hoboken, New Jersey. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make peanut butter frosting for cupcakes. What I like to do is use 1 part butter to 1 part peanut butter and 1 part powdered sugar. So it's 1 pound of powdered sugar to 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. So the first step in making peanut butter buttercream is to add the butter, which is 1 cup or 2 sticks, with the peanut butter, 1 cup, and you want to cream the butter and the peanut butter together. Pull your mixer up, and you again can make this with a hand mixer, but you always want to pause after you've creamed it to scrape the sides down and make sure that you fully incorporate the butter and the peanut butter together. Next step is to add your powdered sugar. Now this can be a tricky step because you don't want to have powdered sugar go everywhere. So we're going to put the mixer on low and add your powdered sugar by the spoonful. When making your peanut butter buttercream, you want to incorporate 1/4 cup whole milk. Stop, scrape the sides. Next, you're going to add your vanilla. Now you want to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now you want to beat the buttercream until it's nice and smooth. So just let the mixer run or use your hand mixer for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. So we're going to frost our cupcake with peanut butter buttercream. You can make a nice pretty swirl. Just fill it. And that's how to make peanut butter frosting for cupcakes. I'm Carrie Jaffier, owner of the GoodieBox Bakeshop in Hoboken, New Jersey. To learn more about our tasty goodies, you can find us at www.goodieboxbakeshop.com. Remember, good things come from those who bake.